Okay. So now my plan is to discuss about some library. So how to add libraries or extensions, right? Because these are the defaults, but this is not there in your book, right? This is not there in your book, but if you want to enjoy this lesson, so you can do this, right? There are different extensions. There are different libraries. Those who are coming to the coding class, there are some students coming to the coding class, they know all these and they have already created a game. They have already created animation, and I think storytelling also done. And last day we have created a piano, virtual piano, using these techniques, right? This is for the coding class, but for your requirement, so I'll just give what is an extension, then you can enjoy this and by applying that. Actually, extensions can be added from the left bottom corner. There's something called add extension. What is extension? Extension is, right? Extension is basically and yeah, extension. Extension is
Sir, should we write that?
segment. Yeah, better write. Extension is a code segment which can be used to enhance the features of your program. It is a pre-built and tested code. It's a pre-built and tested code. Extension is a code segment which can be used to enhance the features of your program, and it is a pre-built code. Pre-built code segment. Okay. So let's see what are the extensions. Let's see how extensions can be used. And here in this code, I'm going to use extension to the same code. Same code, I'm going to use an extension. So this is, I'm going to use this by clicking this corner. The corner ke click karame now.
Can you show the note, please?
Okay, I'll show that. Click on that and then select text to speech. Text to speech. Right? Text to speech. Here it requires, I think, it requires connection, internet connection. Okay, I have added that text to speech. This is the code. Please take a screenshot of this. This is the node. Please take a screenshot of this one. Quickly. 1, 2, 3. I think done. Let's move. Okay, now I have added text to speech. And so here enter subject name. I'm going to speak out that. Speak. Enter subject name. Enter subject name. When I play this,
enter subject name.
It's saying enter subject name. This is maths.
Enter subject name.
Again asking subject name, science.
Enter subject name.
Then English, maths, ICT.
Enter subject name.
Sinhala
Enter subject name.
and English. Right? You can also read and you can change the voice if you want. And different languages are also there. Chinese, Hindi, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, but Sinhala is not there. Okay, you can speak and tell the answer also, right? From the sensing, you can speak the answer also. And you can join that if you want. You can join the answer with. is inserted. Sorry. Is added to added. Okay, let's play it again.
Enter subject name.
And I'm going to enter maths.
Maths is added. Enter subject name.
Maths is added. Okay, now you can see science.
Science is added. Enter subject name.
Science is added. Enter subject name. ICT.
ICT is added. Enter subject name.
This time English.
English is added. Enter subject name.
Let's say social studies.
Social studies is added.
Okay, now it's speech based. Now it's having voice support. Right? So this is how you use text to speech. And so let's add another one. I'm going to add music. I'm going to add music. And I just want to play a song. When I press, oh, I just want to create a keyboard. So let's say when I press Q key, when I press Q, I want to play music note. I want to play the music note 60. Then when I press Q in the keyboard, you can see. I need like one beat. Then when I press Q, then the next key is W. Q, W. When I press W, I want to play note 62. 62. Now you can see. Okay, I can play it using the keyboard. Okay. Then, so when I press the third key, QWE, I need the next note. From the music, I'm telling, okay, I need the next note. 64.
Sir, can we put for everything the same key?
Then what will happen? When I press one key, everything will be played. So then no control over. So it will play everything. I just need to control it. Then I can do various things like this. So if I want to have the control, I can assign to different. But if you assign to one key, it will play like a song, right? Then it will be played like a song. සින්දුවක් වගේ එක දිගට play වෙයි. ඔක්කොම ටික දැම්මොත් දාන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට සරිගම පද නිසා කියලා එකපාරම play වෙයි. So I can have the control if I put like this. And right, likewise, you can do many things with this library also. Right, let's say you are using so let's say you want to have a drum beat, and I'm having snare drum, then the bass drum, then the side stick, then again bass drum. Okay, let's repeat this. Let's go to the control and repeat this 10 times. Now let's use a key to play this. I'm using space key to play this. Now you can see. So now it's playing the beat. Right? So while playing the beat, you can, if you want, while playing the beat, if you want to play tones, so then you can add that. Let's remove this. while playing the beat and you want to play some tones. Let's say you want to play again, repeat 10 times and you need to play some notes. Note 60, as you said, note 60, note 61, note 62, 64, and 65. Second note, then third note. Okay, let's play the space key now. Okay, likewise, you can increase this, you can enhance this. Okay, so now beat plus the music plus song. So likewise, using libraries, you can enhance your code and you can do more. Right? You can do more, you can enhance, you can create beats, you can create music, right? Small compositions can be created. Right? And maybe you can decrease this to 0.2 and increase this to 0.3 to add some variation. Then you can see. So likewise, you can increase, enhance, do things, do variations, change it and code for various programs. Okay, take a screenshot of this and play with this. Just play with this and take a screenshot. Okay, I'm going to stop from here. And next day we will be, so let's say, so if you really want, I'll discuss, oh, that is up to you, right? If you request, I'll discuss you how to create small animation, maybe how to voice and do small animation, storytelling, how to do something like that. So if not, I'll be starting the new lesson. That is up to your request, right? Okay, then, good night. See you all next day. Please take a screenshot and try this. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.